Here's a pair of the Onn Groove earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. Now I'm talking about this model here, okay? I'm not talking about this one here nor this one, okay? So we're talking about this one right here. So the first thing we want to do is put this in a pairing mode, okay? Now if you're not connected, or if you're not paired to a different device around you, if you open this up, it should go right into pairing mode. You should get a white blinking light on both these earbuds. White, 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 okay? But for me, I don't get a white, 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 white. It doesn't go into pairing mode for me because I'm connected to another one of my phones, okay? So in order for me to put this in a pairing mode, I have to go to my other phone where I was paired to, and I have to either delete it from the pairing list or disconnect. And as soon as I do that, this here will start blinking white, 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 indicating it's in pairing mode, okay? And another way that we can do it, let's say I don't want to disconnect from this phone here. I don't know which other device I'm paired to. We can go ahead and we can force this to go into pairing mode as well, okay? So if you look down here, there's a button right here, little round button, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up, and then I'm gonna press and hold that button and wait until the two lights up here start blinking white, white, white rapidly, okay? So the button's down here, and let's go ahead and press, ready, set, press and hold. Okay, I'm holding, keep holding. Just wait till they start blinking white, white, white. There we go, white, 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 white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now you gotta hurry up and go to your iPhone here. We'll go to the settings. Just go to your Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And see this little spinny thing next to devices? It's searching for devices that is in pairing mode near me, okay? These are still in the pairing mode. And it found the Onn wireless ANC earbuds right there. So we're gonna go ahead and tap right there to connect. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look in the link below in the description area.